everyone, it's Robin, R Silent Crafts, and welcome to my studio. Ho, 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 we have 2 more to go, and then it's Christmas. Santa Claus is going to be coming. This is the package for tomorrow. This one is quite bulky, and I don't know what's in it, but we're going to worry about the 24th. This has plastic packaging. I can feel the ridges around here. You know what it is? It's packages of beads from the Dollar Tree. You know the ones I have, they're in a round circle? I have no idea. They're not jingling and jangling, so let's open it up and see. I have to tell you, my friend, I was really good, and I didn't open up any packages. None of them accidentally tore open. No peeks, no cutting through the tape and retaping them. Oh, I have no idea what this is. The Dollar Tree has pool noodle knives. Who'd have known? I didn't know that. I don't think I've ever seen these. How smart is that, though? Dollar Tree people, they know there's so many Dollar Tree crafts that use pool noodles that this is just a plastic serrated knife. And if you didn't use it for a pool noodle, I guess you could also use it for cutting lettuce. I was looking because there's this little giraffe-looking guy down here, this little pool noodly dude. You know what I think he's supposed to be? A little hobby horse, because he's got the rope, red and white rope. I've seen the rope. They used a sock from the Dollar Tree, and then it looks like just some green fabric or green felt that you can also pick up at the Dollar Tree. How smart that is. That's really smart. And then this is, I was looking at these for traveling. They're the collapsible water bowls so that when we travel on our trip to Arizona, or when we move to Arizona, hold on. Oh, I thought this was going to be more rubbery feeling. It's kind of a plasticky feeling. It's very sturdy, and it expands and pops down, so then the cats can drink water out of it. We can have it in the hotels at night, and then when we get back into our cars, it collapses down to nothing, and then we can store it. Has a nice little carabiner clip on it to hook it to something. Collapsible travel bowl. It just shows a picture of a dog because nobody thinks cats travel. Which, let's face it, dogs and everything, they go on a lot of hikes and they go on walks and stuff. I have seen cats on leashes and go on walks, but this is perfect. Thank you so much. Now, I know I didn't send you anything for pets, or did I? Let's find out. Happy 24th. It's Christmas Eve, everyone. And for my friend, I have 2 more pieces of fabric. And then I have this gift that was already wrapped up. It was supposed to go in last year's Advent, but I ran out of room in the box, and I didn't want to get a larger box, so I just swapped this gift out for something smaller. This is something you guys have actually already seen. Remember when we were making the journals and stuff and the notebooks out of those kits during some of the live streams? That's what's in here. Pretty sure that's what's in there. It sure feels like it. Hopefully it's something my friend enjoys. Or it could be a total surprise, and maybe I've forgotten what's in there and it's something even better. It's not a gold brick. Bye. That was fun. A pool noodle cutter and a collapsible bowl. Come on back tomorrow for Christmas, and we'll see what else is happening. I hope you and your family are having a happy, Merry Christmas Eve, or whatever you're doing today. I hope the 24th brings you joy. And if you're watching this later, I hope you had a great Christmas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.